Listen. How to use GPT network for free. Pay attention to it. If you go to any navigator, you will go to the private navigator, then go to the private navigator, then here if you need these two websites I will leave you under the video, then here this website says you take until 2027 then free. I have to go to this link, then here we create the email, then click here create new email. In this place we choose this which completes with ME. For example, we have an email, for example, this email we say, create email, we choose this, then we take this email which I created, now we cut it, we come here, then here we click on this button, click on it, then here we say free registration, we come to the page, we come to the email address, we copy this email, we continue. It says go to the password mode, we choose the password, then we have to configure it at least 12 characters, then we continue, then it's good. It says we wrote the code, we go back here, we refresh, we take this code, we come back here, we paste it, then continue. It says we say the name here is the date of birth, we choose here is the date of birth, we configure it, we continue, then here we say verify, we verify, we copy it, then it's good, then we come back here, we come back to GPT, we come directly here, we say 5.2, we wait a little, we copy this, we say okay, here we have the main roles. What is the selection? For example, teacher selection. You have a lot of options here, you can do other, we say ignore, we ignore everything, we say ignore, then we write this, we come back here, we refresh, here it is, now it shows you the tools which are GPT 5.2, here it is, now you can work with it, you can do it now in the preview, you can connect it now, let it ask you for the code, let it open, because if you close it it will not remain, let it open in your navigator, and after that you can close it. This is a better way to download